A very good morning, children. Welcome back once again to your social studies class. Today we are going to do the third part of chapter 10, Agriculture in India. We have already done cash crops in the previous video, and today we will learn about fruits and vegetables. India has made great progress in fruit production. It ranks second in the world after Brazil in food production. The practice of growing flowers, fruits, and vegetables is called horticulture. So, this is something that you will have to learn by heart. What is horticulture? Horticulture is the practice of growing flowers, fruits, and vegetables. So, Horticulture, horticulture. And what is it? Horticulture is the practice of growing flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Done? I hope all of you must have understood. Now, mango, the king of fruits, is a delicacy of India. It is widely grown. So, growing mango is again a part of horticulture. And I am sure all of you must be loving mango, and I know many of you love summer season just because we get mangoes in summer, isn't it? I remember that day many of you told that you like summer season because you love mangoes, isn't it? Yes. Now this is a pictorial representation of horticulture. See, everything is being grown here, fruits, vegetables, as well as flowers, all together. Growing of fruits, vegetables, flowers together, this is known as horticulture. Now we move to soils of India. You have already learned that India has different kinds of landforms. And do you remember different landforms? Mountains, plateaus, plains, then deserts. So all these different landforms have different kinds of soil, and they are found in different regions of India. So depending on the landform, we have different kinds of soils also. The names of the different kinds of soils, major types of soils are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, mountain soil, desert soil, and laterite soil. Now alluvial soil I have mentioned before, black soil also we have learned, red soil, mountain soil, from the name it is clear, desert soil, and one new you will see here, laterite soil. So let us just learn one or two lines about these different kinds of soils. And these soils are spread over different regions of India. Now we move to the map. I have put the pictures in the next slide, but first we will examine the map. All of you will take out your book and open the page where map is given, and then we will learn a little bit about each kind of soil. So the map is given in page number 63. We'll start from the top, from the north, and you will see purplish color mountain soil there. Mountain soils are mainly found, as the name suggests, in mountainous areas, and here mainly in the mountain region of the Himalayas. And these soil, they are found in the valleys and in the hills. They are dark brown in color. Okay, now we move down, and you will see there in the reference box, laterite soil. This is a new kind of soil. You must not have heard about it before, and you can see it is greenish in color, light green in color. And in Kerala side, just move down, and you will see in the Kerala we have this kind of soil, and little bit here and there in the parts of southern India. So what kind of soil is laterite soil? It is reddish in color, and they are hard and cloddy. When they dry, they are very hard, and they are mainly found in hills of Western Ghats, and in plateau areas, Rajmahal Hills, Eastern Ghats. So these are in Jharkhand, some part in Jharkhand you will see in the map, and some part of West Bengal, and northeast little bit in the Garo and hills of northeast. So these are basically soil found in plateau region. Okay, next we move to red soil. As the name suggests, red soil is red in color, and you can see here it is found again in the west part of peninsular plateau. It is mostly found in the peninsular plateau region. Next we move to black soil. Black soil, you have just learnt when we were learning crops that cotton grows very well in black soil, and you can see black soil is found mostly in Gujarat and Maharashtra area, and this area is very rich in cotton crop. Next we have alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is very fertile and it is found mostly in river basins. So in the plain area, so you can see the plain area mostly covering northern part of India, just as river Ganga flows this side where we have river Brahmaputra, northeastern side. This is very fertile stretch of land, and this soil is very good for cultivation of rice, especially you have learned in the crop section when we are doing types of crop. And last we will learn about desert soil, and desert soil again, as it is clear from the name, must be found in desert area. And where do we have desert area? Desert area in India we have mainly in Rajasthan. So in desert area we have desert soil which is very dry and mostly made up of sand. So these are the different kinds of soil that we have in India. The desert soil is not very fertile, and as a result it is suitable for less water needy plants needing little water, like bajra, millets, fodder, different kinds of fodder, jowar. So these are some desert crops which grow well in desert soil. So I am sure you must have understood about various kinds of soils, and here you can see the pictures also. Red soil is reddish in color, black soil, then we have alluvial soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. All you can find here. So with this we come to the end of this lesson, agriculture in India, and we are going to discuss very fast the exercises also. Think and answer. Tick the correct answer. Which agricultural season in India begins in June, July and ends in November, December? This is Kharif season. That is monsoon crops are grown in this time. Which of these is not a rabi crop? So which one is not rabi? Maize is not rabi crop. Which is called the golden fiber? Jute is called the golden fiber. Which state is the chief producer of spices in India? Kerala. And which is the chief and the most popular beverage in India? Answer is tea. Match the following. Rice matches with Kharif, cotton matches with Maharashtra, tea matches with Assam, coffee matches with Karnataka, and spices it matches with Kerala. Kerala is the place which grows maximum spice in India. Then we have fill in the blanks. India is an agricultural country. Millets are edible seeds and are called dry crops, and they grow in desert soil best. Cash crops are those crops which are grown for sale in the market. Fine quality crystal sugar is made from sugarcane. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. Jute is also called the golden fiber. Brazil ranks first in the world in fruit production. Mango is the king of fruits. So these are fill in the blanks, and I hope you must have done. The answers are given in the box. You have to choose the correct one and fill. And last we have write T for true and F for false statements, but like we have been doing, we will not write T and F, we will write true and false. Sugarcane is used to make sugar, true. Tea is grown mainly in Haryana, that is false. We will also make the statement correct. It will be wheat, not tea. Wheat is grown mainly in Haryana. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. True. Cotton is called the king of fibers. True. And Rabi crops include rice, millets, jute, maize, and cotton. This is false because these are kharif crops. So, with this, we come to the end of this lesson, and I hope you are learning the lesson, you are watching the videos, because we will be discussing this later lesson in online classes which we are going to have next. So till we meet again, keep smiling and keep learning, and be prepared for online classes.